Jai Srimannarayana. 28th sloka of 12th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ye tu dharmyamrutam idam yadhoktam paryupasate श्रद्धदाना मत्परमाः भक्तास्तेतीव मे प्रियाः। ओम Keep full faith in Sri Krishna Paramatma and regard Sri Krishna Paramatma as the supreme and as your supreme goal. Then you will definitely become exceedingly dear to Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Sri Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep full faith in you. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall regard you as the supreme and I shall consider you as my supreme goal. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, you please consider me as your exceedingly dear one. Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. श्रीमद्भागवतमु दशमस्कन्धमु 10th स्कन्धं 227th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. He Bhagavan, Jnane Prayasam Vudapasya Namastaha Eva Jivanti. విజ్ఞాన విధులు ఎరుగక. ఓ యజ్ఞరూప, హో శ్రీహరి, Even great enlightened scholars also cannot realize you. What they do while describing your Parabrahma Tattvam, at the end they will just say Tat, that. Like that, they will give up describing your Parabrahma Tattvam. Hey Bhagavan, the great people, those who meditate upon your Swarupas and meditate upon your glory and always describe your glories, always do dhyanam on you, always listen to your stories, and they dedicate completely themselves to you. Even after that, they cannot understand your complete Swarupam. Bhagavan, Yajnesa Nikun Ichina Agnyulunninu Patti Geluturu Ajitudavainan. Whereas small other devotees, those who simply dedicate themselves to you and with their bhakti upon you, they will hold you tightly with their devotion and they are able to understand you. Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati vishvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 12th chapter, 20th sloka. Yetu dharmyamrutamidam yadhoktam paryupasate Shraddhadhana matparamaha bhaktastetiva me priyaha yetu dharmyamrutamidam yadhoktam paryupasate Shraddhadhana matparamaha bhaktastetiva me priyaha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.